India, the world's largest democracy since 75 years. Marking this historical moment is the Mahakumbh of Democracy. The National Legislators Conference, a grand event and the first of its kind. Active participation of more than 50 national and regional political parties under the able guidance of honorable dignitaries Shivraj Patil ji, Manohar Joshi ji, Meera Kumari ji and Sumitra Mahajan ji. For the first time in the political history of India, they will come together on an independent and non-political platform. More than 4,000 elected public representatives from 28 states and 8 union territories of India will attend this Mahakumbh of Democracy. Over 40 parallel sessions will be held during these 3 days of brainstorming, which will help decide the golden picture of a new India. The sessions will include diverse topics, namely improvement in performance of MLAs, new experiments for good governance, economic development of India based on social inclusion, and how to become a successful and sensitive public representative. So what exactly is this National Legislators Conference? A platform that will make legislators more efficient in discharging their responsibilities, thereby making our democracy more powerful. This forum will also conduct discussions on the challenges faced by the people's representatives. Detailed brainstorming sessions will be held on burning issues like casteism, communalism, corruption, and criminalization. National Legislators Conference 2023 will write a new chapter of Indian politics, where different political ideologies, forgetting mutual differences, will churn out the nectar to make our democracy stronger, where the youth will get inspiration to enter politics, where a new chapter of good governance, leadership, democracy, and world peace building will be indited. A new ideological platform. The first National Legislators Conference 2023. Well begun is half done. The opening session of the Mahakumbh of Democracy will be in Pune and will later continue in the national capital, Delhi. Discussions were held by the mentors and advisory board, and by collective consensus, the outline of this program was concretized to take place in 2 phases. But before moving ahead, let us also take a look at the milestones of this progressive vision. The idea of Mahakumbh of Democracy is the brainchild of MIT School of Government, established in the year 2005. It became the first institute in the country to give political training to the youth. In 2011, the MIT School of Government held the biggest ideological gathering of Indian youth, Student Parliament of India. The Parliament allows the youth from different parts of the country to interact meaningfully with the government through democratic dialogue on various national issues, and also to present their views on the measures of good governance. Thereafter, the school organized the National Women's Parliament in 2017 and the National Sarpanch Parliament in the year 2018. The dedicated efforts of the last 20 years has given rise to the idea of Mahakumbh to ensure the participation of common citizens in democracy, thus emerging on the Indian political scene a new ideological platform, the first National Legislators Conference 2023.